This is our beginner form, Yan style 8. Opening the door. Gather your hands to your heart. Then we repulse the monkey. Let the waist turn as your arms extend, elbows staying bent, knees sinking, letting your feet root into the earth. Gathering the chi as we open up. There's our breath in and exhale. Following the hand, the dominant hand that rises is the one that we watch. And push and pull. We will have another view of this movement here. We're embracing the full moon. And here is our side view, doing the same, feeling the weight root into one side. Feel the balance equal to both legs as the hands float up. The crown point of our head draws up to the sky. Now let the waist open here. Feel the shoulder blades draw together. Follow the hand in as you feel the other one draw to you. Gather the chi, compress, concentrate, and release. All directions. Feel it gather to the inside of you like a spring and release. Letting the waist turn to embrace the moon. Opening your bow stance to part the horse's wild mane. Carry the hands across the sky, the keyboards in the clouds. We step in to step back. The waist fully turns to carry you back to the other side. But only after we let go. Of the chi. Brush, knee, and push. Here's your side angle. See how you step back. If you pause the video, you'll see where the clock, you're the center of the clock, and the foot that steps back is kind of like a 5 o'clock position. You rotate, the toes come in, step back in, balance, stepping back again. Lead with the toe or the heel. I like the toe. See, there's the toe. And brush knee. Hands are on both sides of the body. We root back into the leg, root back into the other leg. Draw in the chi, step back again. The whole waist turns to brush knee. Now here it is, waving hands like the clouds. A breath in, a breath out. This is a great time to focus on your tailbone being rooted, the crown of your head lifted up to the sky, your knees gently bent. Feeling the rooting in of one side to the other as your waist guides you across. Giving your eyes attention to the hand that rises. This is why Tai Chi is a lifetime of practice. There's so many things going on, but once you set it, you forget it. Then you feel. The movement is in you, and then you are in the movement. We're going to rooster crows on one leg. Point the toe, knee draws up. And here's our side view. You can see how the hands are not completely close, nor are they fully extended. And the martial aspect of Tai Chi. If the arms are too close, you cannot ward off. If the arms are too extended, you cannot draw in. Essentially, you're giving your chi over to your opponent. There's our last cloud. We rise up, point your toe. Now here, of course, you find where your balance is best for you. With all the practice that you have, eventually you'll be drawing your knee higher to gain better stability, strength, coordination, and balance. Lotus kick. Or as teacher calls it, gathering the dirty laundry and kicking the basket. The toes face up. Hinge in the hips slightly to the knee. Everything draws in, up, and out. So your foot comes into a T-step. Your arms cross in. You breathe in. The chi gathers and release. Arms extend forward, and my favorite part here of embracing the full moon before we grasp the sparrow's tail. A full rotation on the waist with the bow stance, like we do with brush, knee, and push. But here we draw back, embrace the moon. We push, pull, sink energy down, pushing out, drawing back in to embrace the moon, finishing here's our side view so you can see your angle of rocking back and in. The palms push forward, but just enough to feel a slight bit of tension into the forearms, but in nowhere else. The shoulders stay heavy. And here we finish with white crane. Spreads its wings. This is tapping your tippy toe to the floor and closing the door. Thank you, my friends. Here's our side view. White crane spreads its wings. Remember, let's think about those people, places, things, thoughts, and ideas that bring us health, healing, hope, and happiness into our mind, our heart, and our body. Be well.